Oo nga pala. Dahil birthday ni Sarah Cruz sa susunod na Martes, nagbili ng kanyang papa na magkaroon ng isang malaking-malaking party.
Mama Sarah, imbitado ba po kaming lahat sa party mo? Siyempre!
Sa isang kondisyon, kailangang isuot nyo ang sarili nyong pambansang kasuotan.
I've been staring at the edge of the water long as I can remember, never really knowing why. Every turn I take, every trail I track, every path I make, every road leads back to the place I know where I cannot go, where I long to be. If the wind in my sail on the sea stays behind me, one day I'll know. If I go, there's just no telling how far I'll go. I know everybody on this island has a role on this island, so maybe I can roll with mine. I can lead with pride, I can make us strong. I'll be satisfied if I play along, but the voice inside sings a different song. What is wrong with me? If the wind in my sail on the sea stays behind me, one day I'll know how far I'll go.
I've heard a great deal about you, Fa Mulan. You stole your father's armor, ran away from home, impersonated a soldier, deceived your commanding officer, dishonored the Chinese army, destroyed my palace, and you have saved us all.
Baby is all grown up and saving China. You have a tissue.
Look at me, I will never pass for a perfect bride or a perfect daughter. Now I see that if I were truly to be myself, I would break my family's heart. Somehow I cannot hide who I am, though I've tried. When will my reflection show who I am inside? When will my reflection show who I am inside? The snow glows white on the mountain tonight, not a footprint to be seen. A kingdom of isolation, and it looks like I'm the queen. It's funny how some distance makes everything seem small, and the fears that once controlled me can't get to me at all. No right, no wrong, no rules for me. I'm free. Let it go, when I rise like the brave. away.
Please don't run away. I won't hurt you. I'm awfully sorry. I didn't mean to frighten you. But you don't know what I've been through. And all because I was afraid. I'm so ashamed of the fuss I've made. What do you do when things go wrong? Oh, you sing a song. I really feel quite happy now. I'm sure I'll get along somehow. But I do need a place to sleep. I can't sleep in the ground like you. And I'm sure no nest could possibly be big enough for me. Maybe you know where I can stay. In the woods somewhere? You do? Will you take me there?
It's home from work we go. Hi-ho, 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 hi-ho. It's home from work we go. Hi-ho, hi-ho. Hi-ho, 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 hi-ho.
Slave in the magic mirror, come from the farthest space. Through wind and darkness I summon thee. Speak! Let me see thy face.
What wouldst thou know, my queen?
Magic mirror on the wall, who is the fairest one of all?
Famed is thy beauty, Majesty. But hold, a lovely maid I see.
Reveal her name.
Lips red as the rose, hair black as ebony, skin white as snow.
Snow White. The heart of a pig, the blundering fool. I'll go myself to the dwarf's cottage in a disguise so complete no one will ever suspect. Now, a formula to transform my beauty into ugliness, to make me old, to age my voice, an old hag's cackle. To whiten my hair, a scream of fright. A blast of wind to fan my hate. A thunderbolt to mix it well. Now begin thy magic spell. My voice. My voice. A perfect disguise. Ah! A poisoned apple. One taste of the poisoned apple, and the victim's eyes will close forever in the sleeping den.
I'm awfully sorry. I didn't mean to frighten you.
Oh, it wasn't that. It's just that you're
A stranger?
Mm-hmm.
But don't you remember? We've met before.
We have?
Well, of course. You said so yourself. Once upon a dream.
I know you. I walked with you once upon a dream. I know you. The gleam in your eyes is so familiar a gleam. I know you. I know what you'll do. You love me at once, the way you did once upon a dream. La, 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 but if I know you, I know what you'll do. You love me at once, the way you did once upon a dream.
Oh,
Yes.
I can open your eyes, take you wonder by wonder, over, sideways, and under, on a magic carpet ride, a whole new world, a new fantastic point of view. No one to tell us no, or where to go, or say we're only dreaming.
A whole new world, a dazzling place I never knew. But when I'm way up here, it's crystal clear that now I'm in a whole new world with you.
Now I'm in a whole new world with you.
Unbelievable sight, indescribable feeling, soaring, tumbling, freewheeling through an endless diamond sky. A whole new world.
Don't you dare close your eyes.
100,000
Hold your breath, it gets
to see.
better.
I'm like a shooting star. I've come so far.
Let me share this whole new world with
The
you.
wind, my sail on the sea stays behind. Though I've tried.
Let me share this
Where we go.